just wanted to say before I get into this video that I know a lot of stuff is going on right now in the Black community, and we're trying to make change in the police brutality, because what is going on right now is just not okay, and it hasn't been okay for a long time now. Definitely, if you can, go in my description box down below and sign petitions, donate, share the link. It will definitely help a lot. So I just wanted to take the time to say that. Without further ado, let's just get right into this video. What is up, you guys? It's Rissa, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul. And I was going to go to the store, but you know, Corona's happening and we're in the middle of a pandemic still. I don't want to leave the house yet. Anyways, we're just going to open the package. I don't have that much stuff, but I just want to make this video and just share what I got. So the first thing that I got was this Laneige, I think that's how you say it. It's Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum, and it's for like hydrating, long-lasting makeup wear. And yeah, so I guess you're supposed to do this after your moisturizer, and it just gives you like a natural glow and makes your makeup stay on longer, I think. Don't mark my words for it, but it looks like this. Oh my god, okay, is it gonna do it? Let's open it up and see. Oh my god, this camera, can it focus? Yes, there we go. So it looks like that. No. Yes, there we go. Little pink sparkles. That looks so pretty. I don't smell anything. Maybe it doesn't have a scent. Hopefully, I just don't have a bad nose, but I don't smell anything. Yeah, so it looks like this. This is really cute, and I'm very excited to try this out. I'm gonna probably try this out tomorrow, but I definitely wanted to buy this. And the next two products are the Fenty lipsticks. I don't know if these are new. I think they're new. I got the shade Single, and I got the shade Pumpkin Rose. I might return Pumpkin Rose just because it's very orange, and I don't know why I got this color, y'all. I don't even wear orange lipstick, but I got it, okay? Here it is. See, it's orange. It's literally orange. I don't know why I got Pumpkin Rose. Packaging, y'all know Fenty got that good packaging. That clear, look at it, ooh, look at the clear. It just looks so pretty. And I actually have her Fenty lip gloss, which is on my lips right now. The first one that came out, the Fenty Glow. And y'all, her packaging is just so like, just so good. So that's that color, Pumpkin Rose. Don't know if I'm gonna return it, we'll see. Next color that I got is Single, and this is more of my style. It's more like a mauve, brownish, pink, you know what I'm saying? So it looks like this. So as you can see, it's just like a very nice, like, and that's more my style, as you can tell by my lips. So yeah, same packaging. I don't wanna mess it up. Same packaging, nice chrome look. Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray, and it looks like that. Anastasia on there, Dewy Set. It looks like this. Has this gold packaging on it, and it's very sparkly. I don't know if you guys know this, but it's not gonna come out sparkly on your face. It's just for packaging purposes. We're gonna actually try it on camera, and I'm just gonna tell you how it smells, because why not? Okay. Is it just me, or do I see a difference already? Hold on. Do I? Or am I just saying that? It smells really good. I don't know. I don't smell coconut. I watched a lot of reviews on this and people say they smell coconut. I don't smell that. I smell baby wipes. I don't know if I just have a bad nose. Like, I hope I don't have the corona. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below some other beauty ideas that you have for me. Please like spam the comments of beauty. Let me know anything. Spam me in the comments, y'all. And follow me on Instagram at @itsrissa to, you know, send me a DM if you have any ideas for me, or just follow me in general. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to start this beauty journey. Hopefully I can post consistently on here. I'm gonna try. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.